How to earn $275 hour with ChatGPT for free. New method. It took me less than an hour to make $200 with ChatGPT. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. You've probably seen tons of courses claiming to teach you how to make money. With ChatGPT, well, in this video, I'm going to share the same strategies, those. Paid courses teach completely free. ChatGPT has been around for over a year, but let's face it, most people only use it to write emails or stories with its latest update, though. It's become a powerhouse for creating high-quality content on any topic and turning it into a steady source of income. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest and fastest way to use ChatGPT to set up a great source of passive income. So stick around because you won't want to miss any steps. The first step is to create a free account on ChatGPT. Just search for OpenAI AI ChatGPT and click on the first link. Sign up using your email. It's super simple. The second step is to get ChatGPT to do what you want. You need to give it clear instructions called prompts. For example, if you want a funny story about a cat, you might say, write a funny story about a cat who thinks he's a superhero. When it comes to making money with ChatGPT, the key is knowing how to craft prompts that generate valuable content. You can sell the more specific and detailed your prompt, the better the response you'll get. But I get it, writing detailed prompts can be tricky. That's why some prompt engineers create these powerful prompts and sell them on sites like Prompt Hero and Prompt Base. Sometimes for as much as $10 for a single prompt. I've actually spent a couple of hundred buying prompts, but don't worry. I'm sharing my favorite ones with you for free at the end of this video, so you can save money and start creating content. Quickly, step 3 is to use the prompt that I created for you. You can just copy and paste this prompt and it will create the entire course for you. I will share the prompt link at the end of the video. Let's say I want to create a mini course on how to make money on TikTok. So I put my topic into the brackets, 7 best ways to make money with TikTok in 24 now. I'll copy and paste the entire prompt into ChatGPT and hit enter. It starts creating the mini course in seconds. You can see it's detailed and very long because I gave it a detailed prompt, and if stops, you can simply hit continue generating and it will finish. Its step 4 is creating images to make the course more engaging and professional. I would like to add images to each section, so I asked ChatGPT to create images related to each section. After creating a few images, it stopped because I use the free version of ChatGPT and it tells me to upgrade to Plus. Well, instead of upgrading, I'll use Bing AI's Copilot to create images. It uses a PIA language model similar to ChatGPT Plus and is completely free. I'll go back to my prompt and add this at the beginning. The following is my mini course outline. I want you to create an image related to each section. Start with the introduction. Next, I'll copy the entire prompt and paste it into Copilot. Microsoft.com. It creates the first image for the introduction. After that, I'll ask it to generate an image for the next section. Follow the same process for each section until you have all the images you need for your mini course. Once the images are ready, download them by clicking this icon here to save them to your device. Step 5 is to create the cover image for the mini course. You can use Copilot to make the cover image, or you can go to Canva and pick a template. Let's say I want to use Copilot. So I'll give it this prompt: create a vibrant cover image showcasing 7 best ways to make money with TikTok in 24, featuring TikTok logos, cash icons, and a modern eye-catching design. To customize the prompt for your own mini course or guide, just replace the title inside the quotation marks with your own. If you don't like the image, ask AI to try again now. If you want to use Canva to create your cover image on Canvas's homepage, search for ebook cover, and you'll find lots of free templates to choose from. Here's an example from my last project. I made this 74-page ebook completely free using Canva. I've put the link to it in the video description. It's free for my YouTube viewers. So feel free to download it now. Back on Canvas's homepage, I'll pick this template. Once the template opens, you can start edit it. Click on the text to change the title to your mini course name. You can also update the subtitle or remove it if you don't need it to change the text. Color, click on it. Go to the text. Color on the top element and pick a new color that matches your brand. Finally, double check your design to make sure everything looks good. When you're happy with it, click the share button at the top right. Then download, choose the file type, PNG, and save it to your computer. Your ebook cover is ready to go now that both the text and images are ready. I'll open Google Docs and paste the content from ChatGPT. Next, I'll add the images I downloaded earlier to each section. For each section, I'll copy an image, paste it into the document, and resize it to fit nicely. On the page, I'll repeat this for all sections. Step 6 is selling your mini course. Now, how to sell your digital products as a beginner. Let me show you two methods for selling your digital products, one paid and one free. The paid method is to use Teachable. They offer a 14-day free trial with no credit card required. So you can try it risk-free. While the pricing may seem high when you're starting out, many creators start making sales within the trial period, so it's worth giving it a shot. I've added the link in the description. Feel free to check it out. Go to teachable.com and sign up. Fill out your details like name, email, and password to create your account. Then it will ask you to tell a bit about yourself. Next, it will ask about your product type. Select digital download if you're selling an ebook or mini course. What do you want to create? Choose link. Since our mini course is stored in Google Docs, add your product information, enter your product name. 7 best ways to make money with TikTok in 2024 for the product description. You can use an AI writing tool like Copilot. Prompt it with write a 200-word description for my book, 7 best ways to make money with TikTok in 24. Copy the description, paste it into the box, and trim it. If it's too long, choose the product category, select ebook as your category. Next, upload the cover image. Use the cover image you created earlier in Canva and upload it. Add the product link, copy the link to your Google Doc mini course and paste it into the box for the call to action. Type "click here" to get access before we continue. Let's quickly go back to the Google Doc. Adjust sharing permissions. On Google Docs, click Share and change the general access settings to anyone with the link. Then click Done. Next, set the pricing. Choose one-time purchase and set a price. Let's say $10. Name your pricing plan, such as this month's special review, the title and description. Then click Finish. On this page, you'll see your product isn't published yet. Click on the product name to review and edit any details if needed. Once everything looks good, click Publish. In just a few minutes, you've set up and published your first mini course or digital product. Give it a try and let me know in the comments if you made any sales. Within the first 14 days now, the free method for selling your digital course. Head over to PayHip and create a free account. They have a free forever plan with no monthly fees, no credit card is needed. It's completely free to get started. You can sell unlimited digital products and just pay a small transaction fee of fight when someone makes a purchase. To get started, head to payhip.com and create a free account by entering your name and email address. Once you've signed up, log in with your email. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. From there, click on Add your first product, then select Add a product. Next, choose the type of product you're uploading. Click on Digital Product, and you'll be directed to the upload page. Here you can upload your product and give it a title now, since PayHip doesn't let you directly upload a link as a digital product. You'll need to download your mini course from Google Docs. As a PDF here is how you can do it. Go to your Google Doc, go to File, click on Download and select PDF document. That's it, your mini course will be saved as a PDF. If you open it, you'll see it's now in PDF format and ready to be uploaded to PayHip. It's super simple now. Go back to PayHip and upload the PDF to PayHip as a digital product. Give your product a Title 7. Best ways to make money with TikTok in 24 for the price. You can set any amount you like. I'm setting mine at $10, but you can choose what works best for you. You can also change the currency if needed next. Upload your product image. This will be the ebook cover we created earlier using Canva. Then add your product description. I'll simply copy and paste the description we generated earlier with Copilot. Once everything is ready, take a moment to review it. If it all looks good, click Add Product, and that's it. Congratulations, your product has been added. You'll see a link to your product. If you copy and paste it into your browser, you can check out your product page. You can also click the blue button that says Show Me My Product Page to see how it looks. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found this helpful, I'd appreciate it if you gave the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Until then, take care.